One collision is narrowly avoided, but the next one isn't. There is simply no time left to react. At a side street, the driver fails to yield. The impact comes from the side, sudden and unavoidable. Two cars approach at high speed. One loses control, drifting off its line, straight into a parked truck. A risky overtake ends head-on. There is nowhere to escape. A truck runs a red light. The car entering on green never sees it coming. A fast-moving car strikes another vehicle changing lanes. The result is immediate loss of control and a rollover. On a snowy road, speed hides danger. A car exits a side street and is hit before either driver can react. A red light is ignored at full speed. The collision at the intersection is violent and direct. Driving calmly, a couple suddenly finds themselves in the middle of chaos, with no warning at all. Wet roads reduce grip. Braking comes too late, and one car slides straight into another. Another attempted overtake is a disaster. The oncoming lane offers no forgiveness. Turning left without checking traffic proves fatal. A truck appears with no room to stop. Once again, impatience leads to a head-on crash during an unsafe pass. Another overtake, another miscalculation, another collision. A moment of inattention during passing is all it takes. A speeding car from the opposite direction crashes, captured by a couple driving peacefully moments earlier. A vehicle stops suddenly at a crosswalk. The car behind is moving too fast to stop. Two fast-moving cars collide. One is thrown into a third vehicle standing nearby. Failing to yield at speed sends the struck car flipping onto its side. Loss of control sends a car into the barrier, then into a minibus approaching from behind. A truck loses control and crosses lanes, crashing into two oncoming vehicles. Unable to stop in time, a bus plows into a line of cars. Neither driver gives way. The collision sends the truck onto its side. A speeding vehicle crashes into two cars in rapid succession. Once again, speed on snow leaves no margin for error. A truck stands on the tracks. The train cannot stop. A nearby car escapes by reversing just in time. Another dangerous overtake ends exactly as expected. On icy pavement, control is lost, and impact is inevitable. A bus strikes a roadside vehicle. A pedestrian escapes by seconds. Another failed passing attempt. Two cars race side by side. One loses control, launches off a parked vehicle, captured from two angles. Yet another risky overtake with a predictable outcome. Another passing attempt. Another collision. Snow, speed, and loss of control combine once more. Impatience during overtaking causes another crash. A car at high speed cuts between oncoming vehicles, leaving no chance to react. A vehicle suddenly crosses from the opposite lane, crashing into traffic without warning. To avoid a collision, a truck swerves into the opposite lane, overturning and causing a major crash.